Colaze Home Dehumidifier. Featuring a powerful compressor, can remove moisture in spaces up to 2,000 square feet, whether you got a humid basement, office, home, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, stockroom, living room, laundry room, cellars, crawlspace, etc. This dehumidifier can handle it all. Improves air quality and promotes a comfortable environment by keeping your place in the ideal 45% to 55% humidity. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Auto defrost function. The dehumidifier is equipped with an auto defrost function. And when the temperature is below 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit, it will automatically start to defrost for 5 minutes every 25 minutes. Note, when the defrost light is on, it means the dehumidifier is defrosting. At this time, the compressor stops working. So it doesn't mean the dehumidifier is defective. Number 2. Larger dehumidifier for space up to 2,000 square feet. Our dehumidifier removes daily moisture by 30 pints. It is the best dehumidifier for home, basement, office, living room, bedroom, garage, laundry room, cellar, etc. Fits any medium or larger room up to 1,800 square feet. This dehumidifier can handle it all. Improves air quality and promotes a comfortable environment by keeping your place in the ideal 45% to 55% humidity. Number 3. Visualized humidity and intelligent control. Colaze Dehumidifier is equipped with an intelligent screen with touch control on the dehumidifier compared to most traditional dehumidifiers. Easier to operate without worry about button damage. Auto Intelligent Humidity Control. In the normal dehumidification mode, slide the humidity progress bar, setting the ideal. When it reaches its designated humidity, it will automatically stop working. Number 4. Multi-directional upgrade dehumidifier function. Our dehumidifiers adopt ultra-quiet technology compared with others, protecting you from annoying disturbance. Two-way timing function. You can preset the timing for changing delay off or delay on by a 1-hour increment up to 24 hours, reducing energy consumption. 4 dehumidification modes. Normal dehumidification, continuous dehumidification, ventilation, dry close modes with 2 fan speeds that meet your dehumidification demand better. Number 5. Auto and manual 2 drainage. Manual drainage. The water tank is 2.5 liters, 0.66 gallons when it reaches maximum capacity. The full indicator will light up as well as an alarm will beep for 20 seconds to remind you to empty the water tank. The dehumidifier will stop working automatically. Auto drainage. You can directly attach to the drain pipe hole on the left side of the dehumidifier to achieve continuous drainage. No worry about the risk of the water overflowing. Number 6. Portable design for the modern home. Compared to bulky and power-hungry old dehumidifiers, our dehumidifier is more in line with the needs of modern consumers. Sleek and modern look. Convenient built-in wheels and handles. You can also move it easily without any effort. 3 different color lights show you the environmental humidity directly. Remember that the color will automatically change according to the environmental humidity. You cannot choose the color you want. Number 7. Note: only in the normal dehumidification mode can you operate the humidity setting function. And please set it through slid the bar, not pressing it. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.